Hello students, in this video we will learn about the linear equation. Now what is the linear equation? So an equation of the form ax plus y equal to c. We are talking about linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are constants x and y are unknowns. Okay, and one more thing, both a and b cannot be 0. B is not equal to 0, then it is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so what is the solution of linear equation in two variables? It is, suppose we have ax plus by equal to c, and you can write ax is equal to c minus by. So x is equal to 1 by a c minus by. So the solution of linear equation in two variable is given by 1 by a c minus by comma y, okay, for all values of y. So it is clear that one linear equation has infinitely many solutions. So if we talk about the system of linear equation, that is a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2, then what can you say about the solution? Okay, so if we talk about the nature of the solution, we can write like this. So we have two unknowns x and y. Okay, so we have these constants a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Okay, now if we say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the system has a unique solution. Means there is exactly one solution to the linear equation. Okay, now if it has a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2, then the system has no solution. Okay, has no solution if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Finally, if this happens, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the system has infinitely many solutions. So writing infinitely many solutions. Okay, if I speak graphically, for unique solution, we have, suppose this is line 1 and this is line 2. So for unique solution we have a single point of intersection, okay, which is a solution to both the linear equation. For no solution, suppose this is L1 and this is the L2 which is parallel, my diagrams are not clear, sorry, which is parallel, so they will never intersect, and so they don't have a common solution. Okay, means that system has no solution. Individually they have infinitely many solution, but combining both the equation, if you make a system, then that particular system has no solution. Okay, now if it's say infinite solution, what is infinite solution? Simply nothing. If this is your L1 and this is your L2 superimposed on L1, then this system has infinitely many systems. One line is on the another line, or you can say both the equations are identical, then the system has infinitely many solutions. So these are the nature of the solution for a given system of linear equation. In the next video we will give some methods to solve the system of linear equation. Okay, thank you.